Happy Lunar New Year, my friends! It's Roan from SJMA wishing you a wonderful, healthy, and prosperous year of the tiger. And I'd love to show y'all how to create these origami tiger portraits. They are super cute, super easy to do, and it only takes 2 materials. That's right, origami paper and some sort of marker or writing tool. Folks, if you don't have origami paper at home, don't fret. You can create origami paper using just plain old printer paper that you might have around the house. And I'll show you how to do that right now. So, real quick, I'll take this printer paper, I'm gonna take one of the corners here and bring it up to that long edge. Make a nice crease there. I'll have some excess on the side and I'm just gonna trim that off with my scissors. Origami paper. Wonderful. I'm gonna set that aside for now and use this origami paper I have right in front of me. So I'm using a little orange sheet here. I'm going to flip it to the blank side for now, and starting off with our folds here, I'm going to take this corner and bring it to the top, creating a triangle. Great. Next, I am going to create a diamond from this triangle. How I'm going to do that, I'm going to take one of these bottom corners and bring it up to that top. And then the other side. Now what I'm going to do is I got like an opening here. I'm going to turn that towards me. So I'm going to turn that. And then this step I'm going to call the sly fox because hint hint, it's going to look like a sly fox. I'm going to take these little flaps here and I'm going to bring them up. You'll notice that I'm not going to bring it all the way up. Just right around there, there's a little bit of a triangle on this side here. Next, we're going to take each of these corners, these 3 top ones, and I'm going to fold those in. Nice. Okay, check it out. Does it look like a sly fox? Kinda does. But folks, it's not the year of the fox, right? It's the year of the tiger. So in order to create this fox into a tiger, we've got just a few more folds. Go ahead and flip it to this side. And I'm gonna take one of those flaps. You see how there's 2 there? I'm gonna take this front one and kind of line it up to where the point is gonna land in the middle. And I'm gonna do that to the other flap too. This creates the base for the tiger to stand up. See how all the other little ones are standing? Pretty neat, huh? Almost done. We gotta make a little nose on this guy, so I'm gonna take this front flap right and then bring it down to the bottom. And then fold. There you have it. We've got the base of our tiger. Now he needs a face, right? So let's think. I want to make my tiger have hard eyes. I think that'll look pretty cute. So I'm gonna go ahead, take my marker, color in the nose. I'm going to give him eyebrows too. And then, of course, this little tiger needs stripes. Wow. I never thought I could find a tiny paper tiger so charming, yet here we are. Have a wonderful rest of your Lunar New Year and tackle 2022 with the strong ferociousness and adorableness of the tiger. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye!